Welcome to Express Updates. My name is Yaira. Stay tuned. In our first story, religious leaders, including the founder and general overseer of Action Chapel International, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, have called on stakeholders, particularly the youth, to prioritize honesty and peaceful elections in December. This is to ensure that no Ghanaian becomes a refugee. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams made this appeal during a meeting with the opposition National Democratic Congress's flag bearer, John Dramani Mahama, and the members of the Ecumenical Council of Christians in Accra on Monday, May 20. Separately, the spokesperson of the National Chief Imam, Sheikh Arimi Al-Shaibi, has warned politicians that their failure to stop engaging the youth in violent activities could have negative consequences. Speaking at a press briefing by the National Commission for Civic Education, which announced the commencement of work for its inter-party dialogue committees, Sheikh Shaibu expressed concern about the recent outbreak of violent incidents recorded in the ongoing voter registration exercise. Meanwhile, the Secretary General of the Ghana Catholic Bishops' Conference, Very Reverend Father Clement Kwesi Ejay, has advised the media to refuse any attempts by individuals or politicians to use their platforms to inject religion into politics. The Ghana COCOBOD has replaced its scholarship scheme with the COCOBOD Education Trust in response to the Ghanaian government's implementation of this free senior high school initiative. The trust, established by the board, aims to prioritize educational advancements in underserved cocoa farming communities. According to the board chairman Peter McMahon, the initiative demonstrates the board's commitment to the prosperity and welfare of cocoa farmers and their children. The scholarship scheme, which was discontinued, had previously provided financial assistance to students from cocoa-producing communities across the country. Away from that, President Akufo-Addo has charged the newly appointed ministers to work hard within the limited time to make a difference and significant contribution to the success of his governance. President Akufo-Addo said this at the Jubilee House while swearing in the new appointed ministers on Monday, May 20, 2024. According to the president, the contributions of these new ministers will not only be geared towards the success of his government, but also to the success of the new Patriotic Party, its presidential candidate, Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and its parliamentary candidates in the 2024 December elections. He charged the new ministers to strive for excellence, as it is extremely important to note that the quality of integrity will permeate their work in these last few months. He further admonished the appointees to declare their assets promptly, to remain above reproach in their public dealings as proof of transparent administration of government. Finally, the Echima Inwabieja Municipal Director of the National Commission for Civic Education, Emmanuel Kwejoredu, at a separate engagement in Accra, has highlighted the importance of civic engagement during the 2024 Constitution Week. The Constitution Week, which is an annual program by the NCCE to sensitize citizens on the 1992 Constitution and its relevance to national development, was celebrated on the theme, Together We Can Build Ghana, so get involved. The municipal director urged Ghanaians to appreciate the country's political stability and economic progress under the Fourth Republic, despite ongoing challenges. Mr. Redu further emphasized the necessity for citizens to defend the Constitution and participate actively in the electoral process, stressing that understanding the Constitution is crucial for driving Ghana's political and socio-economic development. And that's all we have for you here on Express Updates. My name is Yaira Awuno. Do enjoy the rest of our shows.